If you struggle with stress that keeps you up at night and anxiety that's keeping you from being fully present with your friends and your family and your work, then I'd like to invite you to join my 21-day yoga breathing challenge. Listen, the coronavirus has affected all of our lives, and it's important that we arm ourselves with self-care tools to help us get through this difficult time. Left unchecked, all of this stress right now can build up and can lead us to use negative self-soothing techniques, things like binge watching television, drinking too much alcohol, overeating sugary or processed foods. And yoga breathing offers you a healthy alternative. In just 5 minutes, using science-based yoga breathing, you can really take back control over your nervous system and regain a sense of equilibrium in your life. My name is Lucas Rockwood. I've been fortunate enough to teach yoga breathing to thousands of students around the world. It's made a huge difference in my life and in their lives. So I think there's a very good chance that it can help you too. All my best to you and your family during this challenging time. Thanks for your interest. Sign up down below and we'll get started very soon.